Welcome all to my channel once again. In this video I have discussed uh, the BPUT previous year semester question of object oriented programming using Java for third semester regular or back examination 2017-18. Okay, so here I have discussed only question number 1, which consists of 10 bits and each bit carries 2 marks. Okay, now one by one we'll discuss. First question is, one program is given, you have to find out what should be the output for it. So here class main, then main function is written, within that system.out.println we have to call the fun function which is defined below it. Okay, but the fun function is available within the main function, which is a static function, but it is calling the fun function which is a non-static function. So as per the rule, the static function can directly call another static function. Okay, but here the scenario is what, here the static function is calling another what, non-static function directly. Okay, that's why in this case the output should be the compilation error, because directly we cannot call the fun function, which means within the static function, because your main function is the static function and we are calling fun function within it. Okay, so here fun function is a non-static function, so directly we cannot call it, that's why it will show the compilation error. Okay, otherwise if we want the output as 20, in that case how can you proceed? So in that case simply you have to write static int fun. Okay, if you are making the fun function as static, then there is no issue, so directly at that case it will print 20. But for this case our output is a compilation error. Okay, now come to question number 1, bit B. Pointers are eliminated from Java because pointer lead to confusion for a programmer, pointers may crash a program easily, pointers break security, all of the above. So all the 3 points satisfies, that means these are the reason why pointers are eliminated from Java, that's why the answer is all of the above. Now question number 1, bit C. Java supports all types of inheritance except, okay, so Java supports all types of inheritance except single, multiple. Single we can, Java is supported, Java supports that single inheritance. Java also supports multi-level inheritance, also supports hierarchical inheritance, but it is not supported directly, that is the multiple inheritance. Actually in bit B multiple inheritance is given, and bit E also multiple inheritance is given in BT also. Okay, but by mistake it is actually printed twice, so the correct answer is your multiple inheritance. Okay, so Java supports all type of inheritance except multiple, but actually Java supports that multiple inheritance indirectly by the help of interface mechanism. Okay, now question number 1, we'll move to question number 1, uh, bit D. If a number is in string, to convert it into integer, which method is used? The question is very simple. The method is your parseInt method, and the complete statement is your integer dot parseInt. Okay, integer is the class, dot parseInt is the method name. Okay, so the answer is very simple. If a number is in string, to convert it in integer, the complete statement is your integer dot parseInt method. Okay, now question number 1, bit E. Stream can be used for which purpose? That is to receive data from input device or send data to an output device, both 1 and 2. Yes, here the answer is both 1 and 2, because the stream can be used to receive as well as to send. Now question number 1, bit F. Which thread always runs in a Java program by default? Okay, so 4 options are given: main thread, daemon thread, default thread, and all of the above. Actually the correct answer is the main thread. Okay, so main thread always runs in a Java program by default. Next question number 1, bit G. AWT stands for, 4 options are given: a new window toolkit, that is wrong; application window toolkit, that is also wrong; abstract window toolkit, the correct answer is your abstract window toolkit, and the option 4 is abstract writing toolkit, that is also wrong. So for question number 1, bit G, the correct answer is your C, here C option, that is the abstract window toolkit. Okay, then question number 1, bit H. Dash is an inner class Okay, one second. Okay, dash is an inner class whose name is not mentioned and for which only one object is created. Okay, so the correct answer is the anonymous inner class. So that is an inner class whose name is not mentioned and for which only one object is created. Okay, so that is the anonymous inner class. Next, question number 1, bit I. Which of these functions is called to display the output of an applet? Okay, so generally in order to display the output of an applet, paint function is used or paint method is used, but here display is written, that is wrong. Print is written, actually by mistake print is written, actually it is paint method, PAINT. Okay, so here the correct answer is your paint method. So display applet not correct, print applet not correct, the correct answer is your paint method. Okay, now come to the question number 1, bit J. Which of these method is used to find out that a thread is still running or not? Okay, so in order to checking out whether a thread is still running or not, generally method is used, that is the is alif method. Okay, for question number J, the correct answer is the is alif method, which is available in bit C. Okay, so in bit C point is alif function is there. So that method is used to find out that whether a thread is still running or not. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.